당공 랑니 기부쿡 중에 Have you slept well last night? nga 당공 ni 기부쿡 중 I slept well last night. nga 당공 ni 기부쿡 마중 I did not sleep well last night. 당공 last night ni sleep cook fall ni cook fall asleep 기부 happy or well 중 have or has. The word is used to express whether the subject received the object or not. Not have or has, majung. It's the negation of have or has. In this case, the pronoun is nga, so it is have. Nga tanggong ni gibu cook jung. Nga tanggong ni gibu cook majung did not have.